This is the Aventon Ultro, released year 2019 but discontinued on year 2020. It's a full carbon frame, full carbon fork with FSA headset, integrated tensioners, and bottle cage compatible. The front wheel is the Shimano WH-R500 with Kanda Criterium 25C tires. The rear wheel is the Aventon push wheel set with flip-flop hubs, equipped with Zip 30C tires. SRAM Omnium crank arms and 165mm length, Sugino 75 chainring 51 teeth, SRAM PC1 chain, All City cog and 18 teeth, and an Aventon lock ring, carbon seat post, most links saddle, Zip Sprint SL stem 90mm -12, and Zip Service Core 70 ergo drops at 40cm. According to Miss Kim Nonstop, this is the last track bike that Aventon made, and since Aventon is based in California, it's only been distributed across the USA. This is the first and last carbon fiber track frame that Aventon produced before transitioning into e-bikes. The Aventon Ultro is designed to race, may it be in the Criterium or in the Velodrome. It is competitive in the Velodrome due to its aerodynamic geometry and frame design. But you might be thinking, why would it be compatible with water bottle cages if water bottles are not allowed in the track? Well, they made it compatible for water bottles for off-track races such as Criterium and uphill races. So that's it. This is the Aventon Ultro, but this isn't my final build. I plan on changing the wheel set, drop bar, saddle, and crank set. For those who are asking, my current build weighs at around 7.7 kilograms. And for those asking on how much I bought this, I'm sorry but I won't tell you the price. But you can search online to get an idea.